Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I got a question from a client asking, what's a quick way for them to pay off their credit cards? And I want to show you guys a quick way for you to pay off your credit card and to at a, I want to say it's cheaper technically too, because you're not actually going to pay a lot of interest. So I want to show you a way where you can actually do 0% interest. So if you need to pay off your credit cards or if you have to pay off any type of debt, I want to show you how you can actually pay off that debt, especially if you're being charged interest right now. So if you have credit cards, if you have credit card debt, the best thing I think that you can do, if you know you can't pay it off within you can't pay it off in a month or two, I want you guys to do a balance transfer. A balance transfer is when they take the balance from your credit card and then they add it onto your new credit card or another credit card. And this credit card right here, the Discover It credit card, it got cash back. But not only do it have cash back, it has 0% intro APR for 14 months and 3% intro balance transfer fee. So for those people that got credit cards with a 22, 24, or even higher digits, 3%. You guys can go ahead and transfer your balance to this credit card. And then now all you have to do is just pay off this credit card and you're not being charged interest. So whatever you pay on your credit card is going directly towards that balance now. Because usually when you pay your credit card bill, say if it's even $200, all that money is not going towards the bill. Some of that money is going towards paying off the interest, which is not helping you. So I want you guys to do a balance transfer. And this is one of the credit cards you can use. Another credit card that you guys can use is you guys can use the Citi Double Cash. Now with the Double Cash, you guys, you're going to have 0% intro for 18 months. And this is with balance transfers, you guys. So if you have a credit card that you maxed out and you need to really get it paid off, apply for these credit cards. You can apply for the Discover or you can apply for the Citi. But don't forget, this is 0%. So that's really good. And it's for 18 months compared to this one, it's 14 months. And when you go ahead and transfer that balance, just make sure that you pay it off while you have the 0% APR for 18 months. If I were you, I would continue to do multiple transfers so that you can transfer multiple credit cards so that you don't have to pay any interest on your credit cards and you get those credit card balances low. Like with my credit card balances, I don't carry a balance. I pay my balance off every month. I don't care how much it is. I pay mine completely off every month because I don't want to pay anything in interest. And then I want to make sure that I'm actually getting my cash back. So you get 2% cash back on purchases. So if you get 2% cash back on purchases, it don't matter that you get that 2% cash back on purchases because you're paying interest on those credit cards. You're not even really seeing it. You think you're winning, like, oh, I get cash back. But if you're leaving a balance in your credit card, you're just basically getting a lower interest rate, basically, right? So I make sure I pay my credit cards back right away so that I can actually feel that 2%. I can actually see it in my account. And then, too, you got under 5% cash back on Discover It. So all you have to do is just apply for these credit cards and get your balance transferred to these credit cards and just make sure you pay them off while you have the 0% APR for 14 months. A lot of people, they like, oh, I'll just pay the minimum balance or I'll just take my time. Spend all the extra money that you have paying off these credit cards. And I have like saving challenges that you guys can actually do too, where if you have any extra money, you could just put your money in those saving challenges. And then when you put the money into the saving challenges, you can use that to just put a lump sum on your credit card if you want. So right now, my thing is I don't have credit card debt. I have student loan debt and I have my car, which is about $16,000. So I want to pay off my car and I'm trying to pay off my car in 6 months. And then also, after that, I'm going to tackle my student loans. So I'm putting all of my money towards my extra money towards my car payment so that I don't have a car payment anymore. And then after that, I'm going to start tackling my student loan debt. For those people that's looking to buy a house, you really want to make sure that you don't have debt. And when you get into your house and you don't have debt, you're going to feel so good knowing that your bills are so low. I see a lot of people that's working just to pay bills, and that's horrible. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. But these are the 2 credit cards that I do suggest for balance transfers. I have the Navy Federal credit card up because you can do a balance transfer with them. They're not gonna charge you a fee to do a balance transfer, but you're not going to have like a 0% APR. So you're going to still pay interest. You're going to pay a cheaper interest rate. I just suggest if you want to do a balance transfer, just do it on like something with 0% APR. If you understand what I mean, just do it that way. That way it'll be better off for you guys. But I'll talk to you guys later. If you got any questions, definitely let me know. Bye bye. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.